Yeah, yeah. I gave you all you need. I know what you like. I feel
when they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is polite. Tell me in the humble type. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. Only hope she slept right. I just wanna put in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top all the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. I say where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Sex game goes stupid.
Hey my loves, hey my cute hands guys. Gidliwa isikhathi. I am about to install my lashes. I've done it once, but I didn't vlog it. So we are about to do our own lashes at DIY Girly period. Guys, I tried to use that, remember that glue that I bought? Guys, that glue, Liana, it just gives messy vibes. I put it here and I didn't use it. It gives messy vibes. And I'm gonna use this glue. This glue doesn't last, guys. It doesn't last, okay? But I use it because it's just for today. You also obviously need a fan. Then you also need a tweezer. And of course, a mirror. Going out with the girlies. And I also need to install like guningi, good lump. Yeah, we're gonna go in with 14. So I just put here. Kancane, guys. Yeah, so just dip it there a little.
Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This
Ooh. Okay, guys. So, Ekka's done. I don't even know Afrikaans, by the way, but I am done and I'm in love. Like, if this is not a sign for you to start doing your own lashes, then I do not know what other signs do you need, because I'm here and I am telling you I'm here and I'm telling you that you need to get yourself class lashes and start doing your own lashes, my love, because it's got some appointment, driving, going to wherever where you need to do your lashes, where you can do them in your own house or at your at the comfort of your home. Love it for me, Kesana. Yeah, let us install. Yesterday night I actually bleached. Not so sure if you'll be able to see this hair. Hey, I doubt it, but yeah, let's try. Yesterday I bleached my pixie curls, right? So I bleached the lace. It kind of looks very transparent right now, I don't want to lie, but I don't know. We will see when we actually install this hair. So man, yeah, it's nice and it's laid flat on the front, in the front, so that I won't have problems when I install it. Okay, so let's do it. I'm so excited. I love this hair, guys. I love these curls, and I actually like combed it out. I will applied some products, and yeah, that's how the hair looks. Let's install it again, my dear.
Say, all be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh.
Another place, your love is wicked, wicked, wicked. Kill 'em. Running around, I can't get through my day. You feel me? Thoughts of you just keep consuming me. And I'm like that. Thought I could do it, but not.
So guys, I changed the setting. Because what the heck, I'm struggling there. I cannot see properly, and the table's lapana is there short. So yeah, I'm now gonna go in with my glamour spray just on top. The lace, guys, I don't understand. Make me understand. Nothing will give you stress like installing a wig. Hey. Guys, at this point, it's not about being cute. It's literally not about us being cute. It's making sure that the lace is melted, okay? So yeah, let's melt it. And I don't know how I want to style this hair, to be honest with you guys. I have no idea how I want to style this hair, but I'm thinking just the middle parts, then done. Guys, it's only 50, you know. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven.
in this bitch, I look too fly. Cop the Dior shit on Ventura. Took a midnight swim in my Jura. Hating bitches block my Madura. I showed the bitch my pen, then I schooled her. Shot a essay them in my Jura. Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the dean, don't cheat supreme, that's why hoorah. Freaky little, sneaky little, creepy little whack bitch. Creeping on me, speaking on me, sleeping on me, mattress. Now I got some bands to burn and bars to bend them backwards. It's time to wake them up cause they been sleeping on the track list. Body so attractive, y'all be giving catfish. Log them off the web and every gangster's giving actress. Gangsters giving actress and all these fake activists. Leave me baffled, bewildered, relax a bit. Let me relax a bit, I think I need to cool it off. I put some pep up in my step and then I do it up. I shine my cutlery and hit my cooler up. Tell a bitch who right. Step up in this bitch, I look too fly. Cop the Dior shit on Ventura. Took a midnight swim in my Jura. Hating bitches block my Madura. I showed the bitch my pen, then I schooled her. Shot a essay them in my Jura. Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the dean, don't cheat supreme, but swap hoorah. Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the dean. Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the dean, don't cheat supreme. Tell a bitch hoorah. Tell a bitch hoorah. Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the hoorah. Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the don't cheat the dime, don't tell a bitch hoorah. Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the dean, don't cheat supreme, that's why hoorah. Tell a bitch hoorah.
On the face, no, no. Don't run away, don't run away. No, these days I'll feel great, it's okay. Here on my own, but not for long. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. There's another one waiting. Hang on. There's another one waiting for you. Hang on. There's another one waiting. Hang on. There's another one waiting for you. Hang on. There's another one waiting. I'm willing to look like a fool. In quiet, I pray for you. Close my eyes, feel alive. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Oh, there's another one waiting for you. There's another one waiting. I want it to be real, baby, believe me. It gets too much without your love in me. Hold on to your truth, hear me. The love that I'm saying, you're so deep, curiosity. Pray that you hear, pray that you see.
things you shouldn't say. You'll get every little bit. You ain't never seen a trend like this. Heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Hope you don't sleep on me. I got good plenty. Say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Hope you don't sleep on me. I got good plenty. Say oh, taste and see. Don't sleep. Don't you sleep on me. Say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Hope you don't sleep on me. I got good plenty. I'm just a dancer, looking for a partner, someone who knows how to ride without even falling on. Gotta be compatible, takes me to my limits. Girl, when I break you off, I promise that you won't wanna get on. You're on it, let's do it. Ride it, rock on it, my saddle's waiting, coming, jump on it. You're on it, let's do it. Ride it, rock on it, my saddle's waiting, coming, jump on it. Sitting here flossing, peeping your stilo. Just once, if I had the chance, the things I would do to you. You and your body, every single portion. Sensually heels up and down your spine. Juices flowing down your fine. You're on it, let's do it. Ride it, rock on it. My saddle's waiting, coming, jump on it. You're on it, let's do it. Ride it, rock on it. My saddle's waiting, coming, jump on it. We're gonna get nasty, baby. First we'll show and tell, till I reach your ponytail. Work all over and through you, baby. Until we reach the string, you'll be all my junkie tail.
Shots to your hand. Yeah.